In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-market scanner Thinkorswim. We'll build a focused pre-market scan in the desktop version of Thinkorswim that surfaces stocks moving before the opening bell, with practical filters for price and volume so you're not overwhelmed by noise. Start by opening Thinkorswim on your computer. At the top of the platform, click the Scan tab. Make sure you're working inside Stock Hacker, which is the scanning workspace designed for stocks. First, add a price filter so you're only scanning symbols in a range you care about. Click. Add filter, choose stock, then select last. Set the minimum to 1 and the maximum to 50. This keeps the results in a lower-priced universe, which many day traders prefer for volatility and position sizing. If your style is different, you can always widen or tighten this range later. Next, let's ensure there's enough activity to trade. Click. Add filter again. Choose stock, then volume. Set the minimum volume to 50,000. This helps filter out thinly traded tickers that can have wide spreads and inconsistent fills. If the pre-market session is quieter than usual, consider lowering this slightly. If you're still seeing too many results, raise it to focus on higher liquidity. Now we'll target actual pre-market movers. Click Add Filter, choose Study, then in the menu go to Price Performance and select After Hours % Change. Change the condition to greater than 1%, or whatever threshold matches your interest. This tells the scanner to find symbols that have moved at least that much in the extended session. Make sure to check the EXT box so the scan includes pre-market and after-hours data. Also, set the aggregation period to 1 minute. A 1-minute aggregation is ideal here because pre-market moves can develop quickly, and this setting helps the scanner capture those short-term changes more accurately. With your filters ready, click Scan to see the results. You should now get a list of stocks priced between $1 and $50 with at least 50,000 shares of volume that are up more than 1% in the pre-market session. From here, you can sort by % change, volume, or last price to prioritize what you want to review first. If you don't see many symbols, try relaxing one filter at a time, like lowering the % change threshold or expanding the price range. If you see too many, tighten the volume or % change. That's it. You've built a pre-market scanner in Thinkorswim that's fast, focused, and easy to adjust as conditions change.